Hello guys, so today I really want to share these products for you guys, and you can see this packaging is very beautiful, and I will show you the names of this one. So you can see it's called Sand Painting Scented Candle, and this one is just for DIY, and I think this one is really fun. And let me open it and see what we will get. So you can see this one, and this is the waxes, guy. This is the wax, okay? And you can see one, two, three, four, five, six. You can get six different color waxes, and also you can get the essential oil. And I think this one it smells super super sweet and it smells so good. Yeah. So the scent of this one it smells like the cherry blossom. Yeah, it's really really sweet, and definitely you can get a spoon here. You can see the pink one, and it's very cute. And this spoon is just for for you to make the shape you like. Yeah, when you do the DIY. And let me see another one. So another one is the Oh my god, another one is the glass bottle, and this bottle is very good. Yeah, so you can put the wax into the bottle. You can put the different color waxes into the bottle and make the picture you want to make, and you can make the shape you like. And also, you can get the wig. Yeah, you can see the wig. So this one is the original one, and this one is the woody one. Yeah, you can put what you like into the candle. Yeah, and definitely also you can get this one. Yeah, let me take it out so you can see this one is the decoration. Yeah, it's something like that. Yeah, so let me show you. It's something like that. Yeah, it's the top decoration. So when you finish the candle, when you finish the DIY candle by yourselves or with your bestie or your husband, or your kids, and when you finish that, and you can put the top decoration on the candle. Yeah, and don't forget to put the wick into it and then light it, and you can enjoy the vibe. So this one is very good. And Women's Day is coming soon, so I really recommend you guys to buy this one for your mom, and you can play the DIY game with your mom, and it can make your memory back to the childhood, and it's very good. So guys, go to our profiles and go to order this one right now. So guys, let me tell you how to place an order. So when you go to our profile page and just click here, yeah, and go to this one, and you can see a lot of links here, right? So you can go to the TikTok shop right now, and also you can choose to go to our Shopify. It's okay. So let me show you how to buy this one on TikTok. So click the TikTok links here. Yeah, and then go to our TikTok profile page, and you can click the shops here. Yeah, click the shop here, and you can see the products here. Yeah, so it's only $21.99 here, and only USA can enjoy the free shipping, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just go to grab some right now.